Hey guys, today I'm going to be making crusty bread in a Dutch oven. So you're gonna need a Dutch oven, preferably one that has a lid, obviously. I don't even know why I said that. 3 cups of flour. You can make this fancier if you want to use like whole wheat flour that you ground yourself or sourdough or whatever, but I'm just using regular white flour. A tablespoon of sea salt, 1.5 cups of water, and a half a teaspoon of yeast. Now the water is kind of warm, it's like lukewarm to warm-ish. And I put the yeast in it because I like to give it like a little kickstart. So you're gonna take your flour and your salt, and then you're gonna pour the water yeast mixture in. Try to get all that in there. Now before I did this, I put my oven on 450 degrees and I put the Dutch oven in uncovered. So I'm going to preheat the Dutch oven for 30 minutes, and then when it's done, I'm going to put this bread in. So you want to do that first. So the best thing is to go ahead and preheat your oven, then get all your ingredients, then mix your stuff, and then you're going to let it sit while the Dutch oven cooks for 30 minutes. So I'm going to do a little twist on this. I'm going to add everything bagel seasoning because it's really good to this crusty bread, and I don't have a measurement for this, I just eyeball it. So you're going to mix this up really well until it forms a ball, which doesn't take long. There's not a lot of kneading or anything like that. You're just incorporating all of the ingredients. All right, that's good. Get this off. All right, hold on. Okay, now you're gonna cover it for 30 minutes while your Dutch oven's cooking. When your Dutch oven is done, you're going to take it out very carefully with pot holders, stick it on the stove, then we're going to put this in and I'll tell you what to do next. Okay, so the Dutch oven is done preheating. So now you're going to take some flour, get your hands real floured up. Oh, I should have taken my rings off. Oh well. And you're going to take that ball and kind of form it back into a ball, because it will have risen a little bit and kind of spread out. Now, you don't have to use parchment paper, but I'm gonna use parchment paper in my Dutch oven just because I need to season it a little better. And I don't want the bread sticking. Okay, so kind of form it into a ball. Then you're gonna transfer this into your Dutch oven. You're gonna cover it this time for 30 minutes at 450 degrees. Then after the 30 minutes, you're gonna take the cover off and you're gonna cook it for another 10 minutes. And then it'll be done. I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so the crusty bread is done. And this is what it looks like. It didn't rise very much. I've literally made this exact, Tucker, get back. This exact recipe like 100 times, if not more. So I'm thinking I need new yeast or something like that. But whatever, I'm posting this anyway, so I'm not redoing it, and it'll taste good. So my favorite way to eat this stuff, I also need to sharpen my knives. You see the steam coming off? Is with olive oil mixed with spices. In this case, I used the everything bagel spices, and just dip it in and eat it. So hopefully you have yeast that is doing better than mine, because that was kind of a fail, but it'll still taste good and I'm still gonna eat it. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.